Okay, here we have 3 older Lennox central air conditioning units at a commercial place in my town. These currently aren't running. And I would guess that these units, I think the compressors are in their own compartment, but I guess they'd have reciprocating. And there's a date on that one. Looks like it's from 1988, I think. And I don't know how many tons that is. But I guess that's probably like a 4-ton, maybe. I guess these two are 4 tons. Yeah, I think these are from 1988. These two are, at least. And then here's this one. Uh, 1988, I think. And yeah, I don't know how many tons these are. Or this one is, I guess. Judging by the size, I'd guess that's probably a 3-ton. But yeah. It says 88 on that serial number thing, so yeah. Pretty sure these are from 1988. But yeah. Decided to get a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.